In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Coca-Cola stock. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout from an important resistance level. And along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before and big upside rally gets started. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was in top where the stock has given a price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by the price-wise and there was a back-to-back lower lows. If you see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows here, and the last lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upside, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs. And this is an area where we got into major positive signal. The downwards parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, and the second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we mark that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And finally, my dear friends, we will check the most important signal, and that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see a closer look over here, you will be able to see there is a massive dear friends, just a moment, I will show you there is a chart pattern which has already been. Dear friends, if you'll see over here, you will be able to see there is a symmetrical triangular chart pattern breakout from here. And if I'll mark the internal wave of this pattern, you will be able to see there is a 5 wave A over here, the wave B, wave C, wave D, and this is a wave E. But my dear friends, you have to wait for a confirmation for a neckline to break above the wave D, which is located at $74. So you have to wait for a breakout above $74. Don't do any blind trading. You have to wait for a confirmation for a stock to close above $74. And once the stock give a closing above $74, then there will be a massive upside rally. $80 will be the first target, and the second target will be somewhere around to $84. So, and your stop loss should be below this lower swing. Your stop loss area should not be low to this area. So my dear friends, this is it for today's analysis. If you really like my analysis, and if you really want my hard effort to give you for such kind of breakouts, please subscribe to my channel and like my video.